Hello guys, today in this video we are unboxing the Huawei Mate X2. The Huawei Mate X2 is Huawei's first folding phone that folds outwards. We have previously unboxed it, so the phone is in my pocket. Yeah, here we get the charger and the charging cable. The charger is 66-watt fast charger. And here's some documentation and a beautiful case with built-in stand. Here is the phone. You can see it's massive. Literally, it's massive. The phone is 8-inch large OLED display, has a slightly increased through the middle, but is barely visible, useless. You actively look for it. It's also generally a great display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. And the outer display is 6.45 inch. It's also OLED and it's also 90 Hz. You can see the display. The display is really good. In terms of specs, the Huawei Mate X2 is basically the best Huawei can do at the moment. It has a Kirin 9000 5G chipset, 8 GB of RAM, 256 or 512 GB of storage, and stereo speakers. The battery capacity is 4500, which is a very disappointing for a device of this size, and some other attributed are missing. You can see the hinge, it's so sleek you can't even see it, and it's just awesome. It's a premium device. If you are holding it, you will be very pleasing with its touch. The massive display is good for reading any documents, articles or books. You can see I can hold it with my one hand and it's very comfortable, but it's slightly in heavier side. You can see the charger and charging port and the speaker grill. That's it for today. Thank you.